Package dimensions: 1.016 cms, L, x 12.7 cms, W, x 13.208 cms, H. Product type: auto part. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: Mexico. Our two plug units are designed for brake controls that have a wiring port built into the back of the unit. Simply plug the brake control end of the wiring harness into the back of the brake control and the vehicle end into the automobile's port. Brake controls that utilize the two-plug style of wiring harness will be identified with the plug-play logo. Top reviews from the United States. Worked on Ram 1500 5th Gen. This thing was plug-and-play, easy to install. Watched a video on YouTube and found the ohm plug easily works great if in need of one of these for a Ram 1500.